Hello knife lovers! Today I want to talk to you about how to make a paracord wrap to your knife handle, the bare tang of a Scruma 80, as in this case. The first thing you want to do is mask the blade with some masking tape. Because even if you think you're careful, you might poke yourself anyway. Then let me show you a neat trick how to cut some paracord without making the end into a molten blob. You will need 2.7 meters, that's 3 yards for the Americans, to wrap the handle of this blade. So you take a piece of masking tape, wrap it around the place you intend to cut. And then you burn it. Now the end of the paracord is very neat. To start wrapping the handle, first you find the middle of the paracord and poke it through, like so. And then pull the loop tight. And then you have two working ends. Flip the blade around and make your first overhand knot. Once you're done, make another knot. Pull it tight, flip around, and continue. At this point, it's good to notice that you're making the knots with the same orientation. So if your left side is going on the top one time, make the knot the same way the other time as well. As you're coming near the end of the grip, you'll see a hole. Continue making knots until it's half covered. Then you start to make a final hole, the final knot, but you push the bottom cord through the hole. The other end goes round and through the hole in the opposite direction. Same for the lanyard hole. Opposite sides, like so. At this point, you can leave a loop for your wrist to make a lanyard, or you can make a beautiful finishing knot to this. For example, like this. Take the left rope, make a loop so that the working end goes below, then take the other cord, push through from the top, around and in from the top again. Tighten each rope separately and together and pull. Then make another one. To prevent the ends from coming apart, cut them as close as possible to your knot. Not too close though. Leave a little bit of paracord. So you can melt them this time into blobs so that it'll block the knot from coming undone. This is by far the most simple way to make a paracord grip. There are other patterns available as well, and this one was very easy. If you're interested in this kind of things, or if you've done a grip of your own, comment below and show what you've done. Thanks for watching.